Welcome to our journey into skills-based planning for success. Today we'll explore how to identify, categorize, and strategically deploy skills for effective goal planning and teamwork. By mastering these concepts, you'll be equipped to tackle projects with confidence and collaboration. Let's dive into our skills treasure hunt. You'll each get a bingo card filled with skills like can calm conflicts or good at drawing. Interview classmates to uncover hidden talents. I'll demonstrate how to match these skills to tasks using a sample project, like assigning Maria's creative writing to the editorial team. Now let's dive into our skill mapping activity. You'll complete a personal skills inventory using a skills matrix. Identify your foundational, essential, and technical skills. Then, pair up to share strengths and discover complementary skills for effective teamwork. This will prepare you for strategic skill deployment and project planning. Now let's dive into skills-based project planning. Each group receives a project card with a scenario challenge. Analyze the tasks, match your skills, and identify any skill gaps. Brainstorm solutions to acquire missing skills, whether through training or recruitment. This exercise sharpens your ability to strategically deploy skills for effective teamwork. Let's dive into building your dream team for a personal goal. Identify roles and required skills, then brainstorm potential team members. Consider creative solutions for skill gaps. This exercise will help you strategically deploy skills, ensuring effective teamwork and goal planning. Remember, the right mix of skills can turn any challenge into an opportunity. Now let's focus on your skills growth plan. Identify one skill to strengthen this term. Plan your first steps, like practicing clear instructions. For your exit ticket, write one skill you'll leverage and one you'll help a peer develop. This will guide your personal growth and enhance teamwork. Let's create a skills growth tree bulletin board to track our skill development. Consider career connections and skill swap workshops to enhance learning. Remember, talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. This quote encapsulates the essence of our journey in skill-based planning and teamwork. For younger students, we use superhero cards with visuals to make skills relatable. Older students create professional skills portfolios, showcasing evidence of their abilities. This approach ensures each learner can effectively identify and develop their skills, preparing them for strategic planning and teamwork. By mastering skills-based planning, students become strategic planners, ready to harness and develop their abilities for achieving goals. This transformation empowers them to effectively collaborate and succeed in any team setting. Thank you for your engagement and dedication throughout this journey.